For 300 years, a single sentence mocked the greatest minds on earth, and one man decided to answer it in silence. In a quiet attic study in England, while the world rushed forward, a lone mathematician closed the door and disappeared. No applause, no headlines, just chalk dust, sleepless nights, and a problem so infamous it had crushed geniuses for centuries: Fermat's last theorem. The challenge was deceptively simple to state, but proving it? That was a graveyard of failed attempts. Generations tried, all failed. The theorem became a legend, less a question, more a warning. As a child, Andrew Wiles first encountered it in a library book. The words hooked him instantly. That moment planted a lifelong obsession. Decades later, already an accomplished mathematician, he made a radical decision. He would work on it alone, in secret, no safety net. For 7 years, the world thought he was doing something else. Days blurred into nights. His study became a cave of scribbled symbols and half-erased hopes. There were moments of exhilaration, paths opening where none had existed, and then long stretches of despair where a single contradiction could undo months of progress. This wasn't just math anymore, it was endurance. In 1993, he finally emerged. At a conference in Cambridge, Wiles announced he had done it. The room buzzed. History, it seemed, had just been rewritten. But then everything collapsed. A flaw was found, a gap in the proof. Not cosmetic, fundamental. Imagine standing at the summit after a lifetime climb only to realize the peak isn't real. Many would have quit. Some did, watching from afar, but Wiles went back into the dark. Another year passed, pressure mounted, silence returned. Then one afternoon, the missing piece clicked into place, an unexpected connection, a new insight forged from failure itself. The proof held. In 1994, it was complete. No dramatic conquest, just a quiet confirmation that patience, obsession, and belief had beaten a 300-year-old riddle. Andrew Wiles didn't just solve a problem. He proved something else, that deep human persistence can outlast centuries. And maybe the greatest victories don't arrive with noise, but with resolve. If this story moved you, take a moment to like, share, and subscribe. And tell me in the comments, what problem would you spend years solving in silence?